Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 cards from one piece of paper. So we need 3 4x8 pieces. The first one we're going to fold at 2 and 4, and then we are going to cut another strip of paper measuring 1x4 and attach it to the front of the card so it will stop the card when we fold it like this. The second piece we're simply going to fold in half, and the third piece we're going to fold at 2 inches and 6 inches. So these are 3 different card shapes. Next we're going to cut some pieces from the leftover paper that we have and embellish the cards. So this is a really easy and fast project that you can maximize your paper and make 3 different cards from one piece of 12x12 double-sided cardstock. It's fun and it's easy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to do all the projects on my channel. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.